Hello and welcome to today's instructional video. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 6b minus 7 is less than 11. We will start by finding the solution using algebraic methods, and then we will represent our solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. To solve the inequality 6b minus 7 is less than 11, you start by isolating the variable term on one side of the inequality. The first step is to eliminate the constant term that is subtracted from the variable term. In this case, the constant term is minus 7. To do this, we will add 7 to both sides of the inequality. Adding 7 to both sides helps us keep the inequality balanced, meaning it is fair and does not change its truth value. The original inequality is 6b minus 7 is less than 11. After adding 7 to both sides, the inequality becomes 6b is less than 11 plus 7. When we perform the addition on the right side, 11 plus 7 equals 18. So now the inequality is 6b is less than 18. In this step, we have simplified the inequality by removing the minus 7 term from the left side, making it easier to solve for b in the next steps. The current inequality we have is 6b is less than 18. In this step, we need to isolate the variable b completely. To do this, we will divide both sides of the inequality by the coefficient of the variable b, which in this case is 6. Dividing both sides by 6 keeps the inequality balanced and ensures that we are treating both sides fairly. So we divide the left side 6b by 6, which leaves us with b. Then we divide the right side 18 by 6, which gives us 3. The inequality now becomes b is less than 3. This is the final step because b is already isolated and we have our solution. To express this in two ways, we write the inequality as b is less than 3, and in interval notation, this is written as open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma 3, close parenthesis. So our solution is b is less than 3, and in interval notation, it is open parenthesis, negative infinity, comma 3, close parenthesis. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.